Welcome back to Dave and HD, everyone. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so you stay updated with the videos, like, and also comment. I do reply back to every single comment, so leave me a comment. So today we're going to talk about something that I don't know if I was naive about, but I kind of didn't really pay attention to when I was getting my 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat. And that is the theft problem. When I was looking for this car and doing research, I must have just skimmed through all the videos that everyone posted about their cars getting stolen, or Instagram stuff or information about how the security features that are on the car aren't great at all. And it's very easy to duplicate the key, steal the vehicle, so on and so forth. A bunch of videos on that stuff all over the internet. So it's kind of got me, not that I'm like super worried, but I am cautious, and I'm trying to take measures to ensure that, you know, my vehicle, i.e. is, you know, it's an investment, right? So it doesn't get stolen. So I have something that I got today that I'm gonna show you guys, two things, and then some other updates from Dodge that have come down the pipe, and I'm gonna talk about those right now because I have one of them that I'm gonna be getting pretty soon. So let me go over this. All right, so Dodge just released 3 features that they're putting out to basically show that they're doing something about the theft problem. The first feature is the enhanced security mode. So this feature right here is something that I'm actually currently in talks with the dealership about getting an appointment to go down there and get this done to my vehicle. And what it is it disables your valet mode, and now it goes into enhanced security mode. If you want valet mode, you can't have one or the other. So what enhanced security mode does is you put in your 4-digit PIN, and basically it limits your car to 2.8 horsepower. The only thing your vehicle is going to be able to do is turn on and idle. It's not going to be able to putt anywhere. You won't be able to move the vehicle. Basically 2.8 horsepower, 4,500 pounds, you ain't going anywhere. So that'll give you, obviously, if you're around, time to stop whoever's trying to steal your car. So that is a feature. It's actually came out on August 16th. So that's why I'm working with my dealership to try to get that. And it's just something that goes in your OBD2 port, and it's a flash. And it just becomes a new feature where it'll disable your valet mode, and then it'll give you this enhanced security mode. So this feature right here is only currently right now for the 2021 Challengers and Chargers. Either the 392 or the Hellcat. So those are the only 2 that it's available for right now. The next thing is the key programming lockdown. This feature right here is something where they're going to reprogram your key to your vehicle, and it locks your key to your vehicle. So what some thieves are doing now is they're able to put some device on top of your vehicle, and then they'll scan towards where your house is or wherever they think you might be, and they can kind of reprogram the code, because your key sends off all these radio waves, and those radio waves are then transmitted to their device, and they're basically cloning your key. And then they can actually use their fake version of your key and start your vehicle and take off. So what this key programming lockdown will do is it's gonna tie your keys, your 3 sets of keys, to your vehicle. Now the only issue with that is, if you lose all 3 sets of your keys, you'll have to buy a whole new module for your vehicle, which is $159 is what Dodge is saying. And that's the only downside to it. But the upside is, obviously, your keys won't be able to, that device won't work, and your key won't be able to be, basically won't be able to be mimicked on that device and then copied and cloned. So I think that's a pretty good feature right there. This feature is going to start coming out October of this year, 2021. And it's also set to be available on January 22nd, on January of next year. And the first iteration is going to be offered for 2021 and 2020 vehicles, all Dodge products. And they're going to continue the rollout every couple weeks, and then they'll go down to the 19s, the 18s, the 17s, all the way down to the 15s. Chargers and Challengers, regardless of the engine, doesn't matter. So that's what the key programming lockdown is. So that's something that I'm going to be looking at doing come October time. All right, and lastly is the intrusion mode or module. So this intrusion module is basically a security system. And it's something that you would think, for the amount of money we're paying for these vehicles, that it would be on them. And basically what it does is it's going to basically take in place of your, it says right here, it will take place in place of your Uconnect system. So what it'll do is, if you break the window, if the vehicle is moved, try to be towed away, if it's shaken, it's an alarm system. It'll sound an alarm, it'll activate or let you know on your phone. It'll do all the security system things that you expect. The only issue with this is that this is only going to be offered in 2022 models. So as of right now, there is no update on this part of, there's no intrusion mode module that's going to be available for 2021 and older vehicles. So we're going to have to take other measures, and I have something on the way that I'm going to be talking about in the next couple videos of some other measures that I'm taking to, you know, keep my vehicle secure, right? These are, like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is an investment. You're putting all money, right, in your vehicle. You're paying, and for somebody to come and try to steal your vehicle, it's a shame. So I got two things that I want to show you guys, and let me close this up. And the first thing is this. They're both from a company called TICONN. All right, and this is key card and credit card. You know, you could put your credit card in here, and I'll give you a close-up later. But basically, this thing, you can take it with you traveling. You can put your key inside, and what it does is it's going to block the signal. So when you're out in a restaurant or you're out somewhere, someone can just copy your key. Until we get that key module upgrade, this is something that I'll be using when I go out into the city or anywhere where high population, or I feel like there might be a chance of theft. And you can keep this on you. It also helps with the credit cards. It fits your credit cards in here, so somebody can't duplicate and copy your cards. So we're gonna test this out in a little bit. But and it's pretty nice material, carbon fiber material, or looking with red stitching. I got two of them. And then this is the TICONN Faraday box. So it's a pretty nice box. This will stay in the house, and this blocks all the signals. So this will fit my keys right there, like so. And I could put it, you know, inside the house. Nice looking, carbon fiber looking, and red stitching. So very, very nice box. So right now we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test the signal blocker so you guys can see what it is, and maybe give you a closer look, and then I'm gonna test it out on the vehicle. So let's go. All right, here we go. So this is a closer look at the pouch itself. Got the TICONN in here, and this side, inside right here where my finger is, it's you can put your key and your cards in there, but that part does not block the signal. It's actually, you have to put it inside of this pouch, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and test it. I'm gonna just give you a closer look. A little clip right there. Okay. So let's go ahead and test this bad boy out. All right. So right here, let's do two things. So I'm gonna keep my key on top of the car. All right. And then we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna open the door. Open the door. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the key inside, and then let me lock the door. All right, okay. So we're putting the key closing up the pouch and put it on top of the car, and we should be able to open and lock. Key, sorry about the angle, kind of hard to do. The key inside the insulated part. Close it up. All right, so closed. And nothing. Blocks the signal. Cannot open the vehicle. So this right here is securing my key. All right, so there you guys saw the two TICONN products for security for the keys. They block the signal. You guys saw that we tested it outside. The same thing goes for the box. This is where I'm gonna put all my keys. This is more for traveling. I got both of these items on Amazon. This was 15 bucks. It was for a 2-pack. I got 2 just in case I lose one, or I want to put my wife's keys or something, credit card, something when we travel. So I got 2 for 15. And this box right here was $18. I got all of it on Amazon, and link will be in the description to the products. And it is, I think it looks nice, so it's something that, you know, can be up in the house in a little corner, and it won't just, you know, be an eyesore here in the living room. So it's a one step closer to keeping my vehicle secure. I got something else coming in that I'm gonna share with you guys in a couple days. But it's a shame that we have to go through these measures just to keep our vehicles safe from being stolen. But you got to do what you got to do, and you just got to be as cautious as you can be. And that's the times in the world we live in today. So with that being said, I want to thank everyone for subscribing. We just hit 200 subscribers today, so I thank you guys for all the support, all the views, the likes, the comments. With that being said, stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.